Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be giving away actually some cool free stuff. I know everybody loves free stuff. So I got a cool PDF that I'm going to be giving away to everybody who watches this video, and a free video. I'm going to tell you all about them in a second here. Link will be directly below in the video description box. Feel free to sign up and let me know where to send them. So this is what you're going to be getting. It's a Master AI video editing for YouTube, free ebook, and video training. Unlock the secrets to stunning YouTube videos with our comprehensive AI editing guide. Improve your content, rank higher, and achieve professional results fast. Instantly improve your videos, learn the insider secrets of AI video editing to produce stunning, professional quality videos in record time. You're going to get exclusive bonus video training. You're going to get 1 hour of jam-packed insights with AI writing secrets exposed. Creating irresistible content with ChatGPT That Ranks. And that's the video I was talking about. Very good information to go along with it. You're going to be able to double your reach. Discover how to use AI tools to enhance both your video and written content, making them irresistible to your audience. Achieve pro results fast. No more guessing games. Get step-by-step guidance to elevate your content and stand out in a crowded market. And rank higher on search engines. Unlock the secrets to creating content that not only captivates but also ranks high on search engines, driving more traffic to your site. And this is how you're going to get it right here. Just enter your email address, your best email address, and I'm going to send this over to you via email, the PDF. It's going to come over ASAP. The link to the video is also at the bottom of the ebook. And I'm also going to be leaving that in the welcome message as well. But it's excellent content. I'm also be showing you my favorite AI tools that I use to create awesome YouTube videos and to run my business as well. You're going to be seeing which ones I use inside the PDF. There's all kinds of great information inside the book, and the video is top notch. It's almost an hour, and you're going to really enjoy that. So if you like what you see, check out the link directly below in the video description box. Come on over and sign up. I'd love to have you. Let me know where to send all the free stuff. And I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy the content. And thanks for watching.